bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay. Where is he? It's been like 10 minutes.
Due to Cheryl suffering from schizophrenia, which caused her to brutally murder Kaylee, she will be sentenced to 15 years in a mental institution to rehabilitate, instead of going to prison and getting the lethal injection.
And in Florida on Monday, John Errol Ferguson was executed by lethal injection. His attorneys say their client was insane. The 65-year-old was convicted of killing 8 people in South Florida in the 1970s. Ferguson was scheduled to be executed in October of 2012, but appeals at the state and federal level kept the execution from going forward. Now, Ferguson's lawyers contend their client was mentally ill and suffered from schizophrenia since he was a teenager. They say several different psychiatrists determined over the years that Ferguson was in fact mentally ill. Most of those evaluations came when Ferguson was in a state mental hospital in the 1970s.
Next, 33-year-old Oliver David Cruz for the rape and murder of a San Antonio woman in 1988. Cruz confessed to the murder, but at the trial, his lawyers claim Cruz has an IQ score of 64, can't read, write, and he flunked 7th grade 3 times.
Certainly it was a terrible crime, but we're not talking about guilt or innocence in this particular instance. We're talking about who do we reserve the death penalty for.
An IQ under 70 is considered at least mildly retarded.